po is judge number 1.
Si Mr. Jeff.
Yan.
Magandang gabi.
Kung bibigyan ka ng pakpak, saan gustong ilagay at saan gustong ilagay?
Magandang gabi at maraming salamat kung magandang katanungan iyan. Para sa akin, kung bibigyan ako ng pakpak, I would rather put it in the right way, or in the right place. And I want to fly in a place where there are lots of unfortunate children, because I want to help them, by means of giving them the proper education. Because I believe also humans who deserve love to each and everyone, because God created us humans equally. There is no rich, there is no poor in the eye of God. That will be all. And I hope we're very good.
Thank you. Candidate number 2, Ms. Faye.